Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the second tutorial in the series of the tutorials on Arduino, and in this tutorial we are going to build and run our first program on the hardware. So I have a sketch opened up here which is called blink LED, and in the first line I have defined a variable called my LED which is equals to 13, which means it has been connected to the 13th pin. In the setup function I have a function called pin mode which is used to define whether a pin is an output or input. So I have connected a LED over here, so it will be output obviously. Now in the void loop function we write a code to run repeatedly. So in the 9th line I have a digital write function which accepts a high and a low value for a particular pin. So I have to turn on the LED, so I'll write here high, it will turn on the LED. And then I have a delay function. It is providing a delay of 1000 microseconds, which is equal to 1 second. Now in the 11th line I have write the digital write function, and it is having a low value, so it will turn off the LED, and then we will have to wait for 1 second, and this will run repeatedly. So I'll make sure my board is connected. Yes, my board is connected. Okay, so this is our Arduino board here. I'll just upload it here, and while uploading we can see the LED blinking. So the code has been uploaded, so I can see a light. I can see this light over here which is glowing, which is connected internally to the 13th pin. So if you want to check it on LED, so we can use the mini breadboard. This red LED will be using, so this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal of this LED. So the positive terminal will be connected to the 13 pin, but it will not be connected directly because it will blow up the LED. So we will use an resistance before it. So I'll just connect the ground terminal first to the negative terminal of the battery, and then the pin number 13 to the positive terminal, and here we can see the LED glows. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope you like it. You may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you in the next video.